What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Zab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we will be talking about what I did today. Made about 2.3%. I switched my platforms from Webull to Thinkorswim. I wanted to start these series just for the YouTube. I still have my Webull account. I do trade on my Webull account. The concept is the same, but I thought this would be a good exercise to keep a track of my account and how I'm doing overall. I deposited $1,000 yesterday, and we started with 1,000 this morning. I made about $23 on the day today. Still have about 70% buying power left. Very cool. And my goal would be to aim for 2% every single day. If we stick to this strategy, we will have about $160,000 by the end of the year. So I wanted to make this series and show you guys what my thought process was, and I want to show you guys how I trade and what my thinking is behind every single trade that I go to. So let's switch ahead and go back to the charts, and then we will take it from there. Okay, so let me change that chart. Now, first thing you're seeing is, oof, that's a lot of lines. That is a lot of lines. What you're probably used to is seeing these boxes. My strategies are with boxes and stuff. Boxes still work. Boxes are very cool, and I still do trade boxes. They are pretty good. And what I want to do is I want to show you guys how I trade on the lines, and let me show you how that is. So this is the strategy that I have been using to scalp S&P 500. And what these lines are, they are basically just support and resistance lines, okay? And the idea is very simple, It sounds a lot. There's too much going on. You don't know what to look at. But in the moment, all you have to do is you just have to zoom in, make this bigger, zoom in, make this bigger, zoom in, and make this bigger, and zoom in and make this bigger, okay? All you have to do is just focus on which of the lines are holding and how you are progressing. So going back in the day started with over here, okay? The day started with here. My thing was the pre-market was at 468.36 and the pre-market high was at 468.41. Okay, so let's talk about, if we were to close above the pre-market, a candle close above a pre-market after market open, we can see a move to the next resistance level. Okay, so the next line, and my analysis was very simple, right? So what happened was it closed above these two lines at 929. Okay, at 929 it closed above it, and at 930 we saw this huge move candle up. The thing is, I don't have any data over here, right? I don't have any data here, so I wanted to make sure, I wanted for this candle to break the resistance of 468.59 and close above that resistance. So this 468.59 resistance turns into a new support. Okay, that's what my analysis was, and my profit taken target was, well, the next line, okay, which was at 468.96. So from 468.58 to 468.96. Okay, that's what I was. That's all I played. So I went in on here. I went in here, wait for the candle to close. Okay, and what would your stop loss be? Well, your stop loss is going to be right here. That would be your stop loss. Okay, we're going to keep it simple. You go in on a trade here, write all these candles on, and you get out right over here. Could have I made money holding? Yes, but in this strategy you have to be very mindful of when to go in, when to get out, and you have to be very patient with your strategy. Okay, so, and then look what happened, right? A break of this line, okay, when this line was retested, you could have gone in another call. We talked about break and retest over and over and over again. Okay, this line was retested here. This could have been a very good play to play. Go in. If you see this candle, long wick at the bottom and the red candle, that means this is resetting. Sure, it could fall right back down, but down here would be your stop loss, so you would want to get out. Okay, go in calls here, push up, take profit is right here. Okay, look at this line, rejection, 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 rejection here, pushed up, rejection here, a lot of choppiness, don't know what's going on. All right, and then finally when you break through this choppiness, you would go in on here and your profit would be here. So how do I decide which lines to go in and which lines to just sit the lines out? So my thing is, I'm looking for a big clear move, right? So 468.59 all the way to 468.96. Okay, that's about 40-cent move. You know, that would give me about 12 to 15% in profit, okay, of my play. And that's kind of what I want to go for. That's kind of what that's what I would want. Okay, so that's if there's any lines that are close to one another, like something here, I wouldn't want to play this because it's too close. Again, I'm also watching the Qs. I'm also watching the S&P mini futures alongside with this, you know. But I'm going to keep it simple. You know, you see profit, you take it, and then you move on to the next one. All right. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Nothing crazy. It is a Monday. I will try to post hopefully every day this week. Depends on how we do it. Or whenever I post, I will give you an update of my account. The account is at, let's see. The account is at 1,000 and I want to say $1,023. Okay, Thinkorswim charges some fees of transactions, so there's that. So I made $23 on the day today. Okay, on my main account I will show you guys what I made maybe on a Saturday, maybe on the Saturday video. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you did, please go ahead and like and comment down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will get you guys create a video or try to give you an answer. Okay, have a great day. Until next time, bye bye.